When you understand that we as human beings are a part of nature, it doesn't matter what kind of tree you sit under. It could be a tree in a city park, in a suburban-like area. It could be a tree in the national forest or the national park. It's definitely your state of mind, your state of beingness, and the perspective of how you look at it. Even with all these cars and buildings and pavement around, it still doesn't stop the fact that there is something beneath it, past it, away from it. And it's just a matter of us taking that time, making that space, and the willingness to connect. And once you're able to do that, then a lot of the concerns and worries and fears and doubts that we have just no longer hold that much weight and power. You begin to develop a sense of peace in the midst of all the chaos that is happening to us, around us, through us. You just become more aware. You become more observant.